Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to see how to prepare coffee face pack / coffee scrub using only the items available in your kitchen. This is going to be the simple and most cost effective recipe which is going to help you to get rid of many skin concerns. So without any further delay, let's get started. What you all need is a teaspoon of coffee, a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of coconut oil. Beat it thoroughly using a spoon till you get the paste-like consistency. Scrub it thoroughly in all your problematic areas for at least a minute. Coffee has got a beauty upgrade and it's an excellent alternative for all the commercially available scrubs. The caffeine in the coffee can tighten and brighten your skin and give it a smoother appearance. Sugar is a natural source of glycolic acid that penetrates the skin and breaks down the glue that bonds the skin cells, encouraging cell turnover and generating fresher and younger looking skin. Coconut oil is high in saturated fatty acids which is gonna nourish the skin, thereby hydrating it. There are various benefits because of this coffee scrub. It helps you to get rid of the dead skin cells. It helps in improving the blood circulation. It tightens the skin, prevents aging and also helps in reducing the appearance of cellulites. Keep it on your face for minimum 20 minutes and use it twice a week to see visible results. This can also be used on your face, but replace the coconut oil with a tablespoon of honey while using it on your face. Use the scrub regularly for 2 to 3 months. It works like magic on your skin. Wash it off with cold water after 20 minutes and then apply a mild moisturizer. This method you can take care of your skin by easily preparing it in your kitchen within just 2 minutes and spending not more than 10 rupees. That too freshly prepared homemade scrub. This is an excellent alternative to the expensive face scrubs available in the market. Try it and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. My next video is going to be about freshly prepared homemade DIY hair mask for silky, shiny and glossy hair using just the products available in your kitchen. Also check out my other videos related to beauty, fashion and travel in the link mentioned in the description box. Please like this video if you like it and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye guys!